Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to change payment method on iPhone. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Alright, let's go. So first, go to settings, then tap on your Apple ID, select payment and shipping. It might ask you for your Apple ID password. Here you will see all payment methods attached to your Apple ID. Now, as you can see, there is only one credit card on my account and I'm going to remove it. So I'm going to tap on my Visa card, then at the bottom, tap on Remove Payment Method. And you're done, your credit card is removed. Small alert here. If your credit card is attached to monthly services or subscriptions, such as iTunes or Netflix, it won't be removed. So you need to unbind your card from these services in order to remove your card. Now, let's see how to change payment method. So go to Settings, then tap on your Apple ID, then Payment and Shipping, and tap on Add Payment Method. Now you might see different payment options as it depends on your region your Apple ID is set on. So for me, I'm going to add credit or debit card. Here I will add my card information, then my billing address. After you are done, tap on Add on the top right corner. And there you go, it got added. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.